Hey, remember, the ladies come in a value pack of 2.
Dry fire.
Yeah, you gotta wind it up. Well, I don't know what gun you're using.
Change the mag.
Okay. Yeah, if that's the P90, you gotta change out the clip. I'll chill for a bit.
I thought that was out of bounds. Hey Fritz, I'm sorry to tell you, but you're out of boundaries. Please move back into the paintball course at this time or I'll be forced to shoot very bad shots of you.
You got it. Going back to spawn.
Good puppy. Good to the camera. Hey! He's out.
I'm spawning. When the gun's up, then he's spawning.
No, he's out. When you have the gun above their head, they're basically saying don't shoot.
Hand up,
Change the mag.
Nice shot, dude.
Change the mag.
Come on, Mike, don't be scared.
Where's he hiding?
We're back there.
Go Frosty.
Hey, come and keep to the course, dude.
Hey guys.
Yeah, keep it in the course.
Paintball course, please move down and go back to spawn point and respawn. Anything past the spawn. Dead free.
Keep it in the course, please. Come on.
Force down. Go ahead.
Ed was fucking unloading on me. Fuck you, Ed.
What? I put 8 bullets in you. That's about it. Alright, why did you drop one? Go.
I am staying out of the way of this. helps if you use the scope when aiming. Over here, 15.
Ross, watch out, he's ahead of you.
Thank you for the picture.
Oh, shit.
You're back here? Stop pussy camping, get out there and shoot some shit.
They didn't really do that.
You're playing your fair game. I'm sorry.
They look girl. They want this girl.
Stop being sexist. Back in 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
This reminds me of the good old fucking N64 game, Pokemon Snap, where we take pictures of Pokemon. Good times, good times. Having fun? Get your adrenaline going. It's like, oh my god. Please don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me. I'm in a bad space right now.
Right. Ow.
Come on, you guys are listening to the lady.
Hey.
They're new at this.
No. What?
Stop counting yourself in so they know when to shoot at you. Do it quietly.
Come on, don't be new.
How many are in?